Dear ladies and gentlemen, Adventures with Mom today brings us to the port city of Otaru. At the port city of Otaru, which became famous due to its import business of herring, this is why all the banks came up north and set up shop when it was a bustling town in the 1900s. Also known for glassmaking.
And Wall Street, because they had the most banks.
They did call it the Wall Street of the North. Arigato
gozaimasu.
So as you enter into the port of Otaru, there is a sightseeing port where you can go and use the restroom. And they also rent bicycles for 500 yen. I don't know how long it is, probably an hour. And then there is parking directly across from the sightseeing boat park if you brought your own vehicle. I don't know, what's this?
This is looks like a convenience store, and it has a map of the whole store of what you can get inside the store. So it's kind of cool. It doesn't open till 9 and it's 8:57, so we'll adventure there soon.
And I believe you can have acai on the top deck overlooking the port, which is a very big bonus for me. Well,
too much biro.
Too much biru. So we're just going to walk around the canals and take pics and fill you guys in on what we find. Look at these cantaloupes. Oh, also Otaru is known to be one of the best sushi spots in the world. These are the famous cantaloupes here.
Premium melon from Hokkaido.
Premium melons, and then oysters, crabs. Ohayo gozaimasu. Hello, nice to meet you. Hajimemashite.
That means nice to meet you. That means nice to meet you.
So we're here at about 8 in the morning. We're a bit early. It doesn't seem like anything's open, but it's actually kind of refreshing that it's quiet.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes. After Sapporo, anything is refreshing.
Oh yeah, we went down to Sisakino last night into the red light district, into Ramen Alley, and it was just a little bit much for Mom. Too many people, too many places, too many things. Well, back to the adventure.
Almost reminds me of canals in Venice, but not. I've never been to Venice.
So these are the old port buildings that they used to haul all the herring into for processing. But now it looks like it's just like a little boat tour. Look at this. What do you say?
Beautiful. Watch out for light post.
Watch out for the light post.
It's probably pretty at night.
I think it's about 75, 80 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those hotels over there. That would be cool. Stay at the hotel overlooking the canal.
And then you can see the bay if you got high enough. Japan Bay. No. What's it called? The Gulf of Japan.
I think it's the sea.
Sea of
Japan
Japan.
Sea. Oh, those are fun.
Oh, nice.
Maybe. We should maybe buy a couple. Those would be good gifts.
Yeah.
I kind of want to buy the Fuji one too. Huh. Oh, look at those little pins. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Maybe we'll come back and buy a couple.
Okay.
All right. If you're down here on the Otaru Canal, what was your name?
Hori Hitoshi. Hitoshi Hori.
Histoshi?
Hori.
Ori?
Hori.
Hori?
Yeah, Hori.
Hori. is over here, and he makes all of these postcards himself. And so you can either get one sheet for 150 yen, or we bought 4 for 500. We're very excited. Arigato gozaimasu. Hajimemashite. Very nice to meet you. Come down and see Hashi. Hori. It's very hard for me to remember languages, and I always forget that I got a microphone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi.
Wasn't sure about this stop, but after we walked around a bit, it was a pleasant surprise to see the history and the canal. What a quaint little town.
I liked it too. I was able to get out in the sunshine and get some steps in and start sweating this hangover off. I do think next time I would want to ride the little tricycles or whatever. The guys will put you in a carriage and they'll drive you around town. But it was a little expensive, to be honest. I think it was like 5,000 yen, which is going to be like 30 bucks for 10 minutes. I don't know. I guess it's all relative to what you think is expensive or not. But in Nagasaki, I think I was able to get a carriage and wheels for only like 1,000 yen or 6 bucks for a quick tour. So I don't really want to do a half-hour tour for $60. But if that's something you want to do, I think it's definitely worth it. And if you're in Otaru, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or watch this video, like and subscribe.
Yeah, if you watch the video, like
Make
it,
sure you share it with
subscribe
your
it, share it with the friends, share it with the fam.
Yeah.
Heck, drop a comment if you're feeling crazy. All right.
Arigato
Arigato, you guessed it. Gozaimasu. We're off to Yoichi for lunch. Hey, so we're on our way to Yoichi, and me and my mom are playing a game where every time you see a 7-Eleven, you have to call it out. And if you call it out first, then you win 100 yen from the other person. And so we're counting slowly but surely. Every time you see a 7-Eleven, you got to call it out and then you win. And so I'm up 300 yen right now. And at the end of the trip, somebody's going to owe somebody a lot of yen. How do you feel about that?
You cheat.
I don't cheat. I just can see a 7 anywhere.
It's in your blood.
7-Eleven's in my
Tattooed
blood.
on your elbow.
All right, I got to drive. Bye. Dear ladies and gentlemen, on your way to Yoichi from Otaru, you can stop at Ibizu Rock and Daikoku Rock. These are two magnificent freestanding rocks right here in the middle of the ocean. It looks like there's some people snorkeling, paddleboarding, and just swimming, having a great time. Jane, what do you think?
Looks beautiful. Look at the bay over there.
Have a look at the bay over there, she says. Look at the landscape. I'm gonna put you up in the air so you can get a full 360 view. Makes me want to jump in. We've got our swim trunks. Should we jump in? Are you gonna jump in? No, she says. Jane says no.